It's time again for Tweet of the Week, and this week I am joined by one of my cabinet members, Jamie Cannon, who is our Chief of Staff and Legal Counsel. So, Jamie, I know that there are many parts of your job that we can't talk about, but there are a lot of amazing things that the Chief of Staff does. So would you just share with our viewers a little bit about what you do in our school system?
Well, I would say the day in the life of having the joy of being an in-house attorney, because a lot of people say, why would you want to be an in-house attorney versus working in a law firm? Well, first of all, in a school system, you're connected to a very big and important purpose of serving kids. But the variety of law that you get into. So if I had to put it on a Jeopardy board, a legal Jeopardy board, I could say, did you want family law for 500? Did you want Fourth Amendment? First Amendment? There's issues of contract law, labor law, and the day in the life of when I walk into this building to determine what type of question I may get, and I may get 5 different ones by lunchtime. That's the fun part of being in-house attorney, but the Chief of Staff role, you have a function and a purpose that's larger than you, and you know that you're connected to something very significant.
And I know I appreciate not just the legal advice you give, but as the Chief of Staff, you share a lot of perspectives with me as you look at the things that are happening in the school system, but also dynamics that may be going on outside in the community that you know are going to roll in and impact our work as a school system. So Jamie is definitely someone I rely on a lot in my day-to-day. So people might be kind of intrigued by the Tweet of the Week that you selected.
Yes. I picked the Tweet of the Week as In a Minute that Michael Doerr does, our Director of Communications. And each time they come out, whatever I'm doing, if I'm sitting at my desk, I stop and I watch his In a Minute. And it reminded me of the first day I was hired. I worked in Washington County prior to coming in Frederick County, but I've been a central office employee for 28 years. And the first day I was hired, my supervisor said to me, you're a central office support person, as we all are, but never forget we're connected to the purpose of what happens in schools. And Michael's In a Minute reminds me, he comes on, he's got 60 seconds, and he, with great enthusiasm, says anything from our testing scores to exciting things happening with our students, our athletes. One of my favorite is when he showed 2 administrators being duct taped to a wall because they were participating in a fundraiser. So again, that connection back to purpose. So central office attorney, Chief of Staff, whatever role you play in the central office, that In a Minute pulls me right back to why it's great to work here and within a school system.
And you're right, that connection to students and feeling like we're making a difference does give purpose to not only our employees, but defines our whole organization. So thank you so much for everything you do to make FCPS a very special place to work. And thank you for joining me on Tweet of the Week.
You're very welcome.